Kolkata, the mother of the RG Kar Medical College victim, has alleged that she was roughed up by women police personnel while on her way to join a march to the West Bengal State Secretariat, Nabonna. The march was held to mark 1 year since the alleged rape and murder of her daughter at a state-run hospital. These are the visuals coming in. As far as the protests which were conducted today to mark 1 year of RG Kar rape and murder case is concerned. In fact, not only that, mother of the victim, she has claimed that during the scuffle, her traditional conch shell bangle, known as Shankha, was broken and that she sustained a minor head injury. The victim's father also alleged that police tried to prevent the family from joining the protest at Dorina Crossing, despite court permission for a peaceful rally. That's extremely important. These are the visuals coming in straight from Nabonna of Kolkata, West Bengal. This is what the situation is looking like at the moment. There was a peaceful rally, and what has been alleged on the cops is utterly shocking in nature. Police baton charged protesters at Park Street in central Kolkata when some of them tried to break through barricades set up near Rani Rashmoni Road. Security had been heightened across key points, including Satragachi in Howrah, where further scuffles were also reported. These are the shocker coming in from West Bengal. You can see police had to retort to the lathi charge. Leader of the opposition in the state, Suvendu Adhikari, BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul and others also held a sit-in protest claiming that over 100 people, including several BJP leaders and the victims' parents, were injured in this police action. Protesters demanded the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, accusing the state government of failing to protect women. It continues to go on. We got some shocking visuals coming in from ground. We're trying to get you more details straight from ground zero to get the first-hand detail about the intensity of protests at the moment and the tensions on ground. Reporting straight from Hazra, Kolkata is my colleague Ravi Shankar Datta joining us on the broadcast. Ravi Shankar, we are looking at some dramatic visuals being played out on your screens for the viewers of News 9. We are looking at a full-blown scuffle between the cops as well as the protesters. They are claiming that it was a peaceful march, yet the police resorted to lathi charge. What was the reason? What happened?
See, today is the anniversary of that incident, horrific incident that happened 1 year back in RG Kar Hospital, and now today I am standing at Hajra More, currently 500 meters from a distance from Mamata Banerjee's residence, CM West Bengal, her residence, and let me show you what's the picture outright here. You can see that the protesters, they have come here with all their amenities, and as said by the court, it will be a peaceful protest. But you can see the arrangement of the police that has been constructed here at Hajra More towards the residence. I ask my camera person to show that the barricade you see just behind that, the straight roads going that ends up in Mamata Banerjee's residence. So this is the place where, this is the famous Hajra More where Mamata Banerjee was once assaulted in 1993 when she was protesting, and now a protest is going on at the same place where a protest is going on against her and her government on the RG Kar incident. You can see that this is the place where thousands of people have gathered together and they are claiming a justice for whatever happened 1 year back with Abhaya and her parents, and yet no justice has been delivered to this particular incident. The state and the center, they are blaming each other on the incident, but yet not a single arrest has been done other than the arrest that was done on the first day. And there has been several discrepancies in this whole investigation, where CBI has claimed that the process of investigation was and the evidences were tampered when it needed to be kept under a control or under a specific vision. But now, standing at this Hazra Mode, it can be said that Mamata Banerjee's agitation against Mamata Banerjee and her party and the state government is growing. And today there has been several protests in Kolkata against whatever happened in Arjika last year. We, TV9 Bharatvarsh and News 9, we were the first channel to put it on here, like what happened and how the whole thing was constructed, a planned incident that had happened. And now after 1 year, we are standing on the same place with no justice being delivered to a parent who are asking who killed her daughter and what has happened to the society and to the government who need to deliver justice to the people of West Bengal.